Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we will go over the email tool in D2L. This tool is useful if you want to email your class quickly or the class list product is unavailable to you. The latter may be because you are teaching during the winter intersession or during the summer. Let's get started. In a D2L course, go to Class List in the course nav bar. Here we can view the students in our class. From this page we can also email our students. Click on the checkbox to the left of Image to select the whole class list. Then we can click on the email button above to email them. Alternatively, if we only want to email a handful of students, we can select the checkbox to the left of their user image. Then select Email to email only the selected students. However, this may not send the email to our inboxes by default, though it will send it to students. To get the email sent to our inboxes, we need to access the dedicated email screen. Click on My Tools in the course nav bar. Select Email in the menu that appears. This screen will let us construct an email. Clicking on Sent Email will allow us to review previously sent email. However, what we are interested in is Settings in the upper right corner. This gives us a few options. First, make sure the box is checked to send a copy of each outgoing email to our email address. We can also create an email signature on this page. Once done, select Save. Now when we send an email from the class list, we will get a copy of the email sent to our inbox. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.